Hello, my dear customers. This is Anna from Landpack. Today, let me introduce one of our customized for the tube film for the rubbers, like the rubber silicone parts. This is counting, visual counting, and tube film packing machine. This packing machine is suitable for the rubbers and also silicone products, and also for the food products like the chicken wings, something like that. And it also can do the printer on the tube film. So it is connected with the Videojet printer. Okay, and the speed is for 2 to 3 bags. So let's see one by one. So this is for the first part. It is for fitting for your silicone parts and the rubber silicone parts in the conveyor. And after that, they were into our visual counting machine. This visual counting machine is controlled by the computer, and all the motor it is by the server models. It is customized. This is Siemens system. Siemens. So you can see here. Siemens. Yes. Because it is suitable for different products. So all this, like this rubber and also counting conveyor, it is controlled by the besides is for the servo motor. It can differently adjustable for the different height and also the width, the conveyor belt width. It is automatically. So later we will show you how it will be running. And after that, this is for the counting system. So you can see the lights, it is on. So this is counting system. And also the camera, it is inside. This is the camera box inside. It's visual lights. Okay. After that, they will go to the tube film packing machine. And this tube film packing machine, it is controlled by the PLC. It is also the touchscreen Siemens. You can set it for your different bag lengths. It is very easy to operate. And also, this is for the Videojet. It is just for the finished, you can print it like the barcode number, also barcode or your logo just be here on the tube film. And this is a tube film feeder. After fitting, they will be packing. So you can see here is a Videojet printer printed on the roll film. It's more like this one. And then they will be sealing and packing here. This is for the finished bag. This is for the finished conveyor. Okay.